Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. This one will be talking about cognates, false cognates, and some other terminologies as well. So in the past, and pretty much my whole life, I grew up learning that cognates, I put it right here on the screen for you, cognates are words that look the same and mean the same thing. And then false cognates are words that look the same but mean different things. And someone on YouTube pointed out to me that my definition of those two words is wrong. And so I looked up some definitions, and he or she, I can't remember, sent me some information that helped me to distinguish why what I was teaching technically was not correct. So if at any point you have something you want to add to this, we could make it some sort of a conversation if you want to, but leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to tell you what I've learned and what you should probably learn as well. So first, let's take a look at the definition of cognate or cognate. According to Oxford dictionaries, a cognate or cognate is a word that has the same linguistic derivation as another word, meaning they have the same roots. They come from the same place. And dictionary.com descended from the same language or form. So again, this is looking at where the word comes from. So you'll notice it doesn't say anything about what they mean or how they look right now. So immediately you kind of see that the definition that I was taught and have been teaching isn't correct. So I'm going to go down here and kind of show you guys what I probably should have taught, or what I will be doing from now on. So let's look at a couple new terms here. The first one over here on the left is true friend. So what's a true friend? Well, aside from someone who's really nice to you and gives you advice and listens to what you have to say.
F is for friends who do stuff together.
With regards to linguistics, a true friend are two words that look the same and mean the same thing. So that's my previous definition of cognate. Now I will replace that with true friend. And then what's a false friend? Of course, obviously, is going to be the opposite. Words that look the same but have different meanings. And according to dictionary.com, a false friend is a word or expression in one language that, because it resembles one in another language, is often wrongly taken to have the same meaning. For example, the French agenda, which means diary, is not agenda in English. Let's go down just a little bit more here. So these are the four different scenarios that you might find. So I'm going to use the word cognates again, and you'll see what I mean here. So a true cognate and a true friend. What is that? Well, they have similar origin and look and mean the same thing right now. False cognate, true friend, words that have different origins but have a similar look in its modern form and meaning as well. A true cognate and a false friend, words that have similar origin but look the same but have come to mean different things. And then a false cognate, false friend are words that have different origins, might have a similar look, but they have different meanings. And I've used the word etymology a couple times here, and the definition of that is the derivation of a word, and synonyms are word origin, word source, derivation, and origin. So really what I should have been using in place of cognate, false cognate is true friend and false friend. And then whether or not we want to know if they're cognates or not is a different story. Is that really when we learn this in our language classes, it's not irrelevant, but it's not what we're talking about. We're not talking about word origin. We want to talk about words that look the same and have the same meaning versus words that look the same and have different meanings. True friends, false friends. I hope this made sense. If it didn't, or you have something else that needs to be clarified, drop a comment in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching.